Hi, good day. It's Money Code. How would you like for me to show you how to make $500 one day? I'll make $500 in one day. Stick around if you would like to see how I make $500 in one day. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna show y'all, man. Right now, it's a pandemic and everyone need the extra income. I'm gonna show y'all how to make passive income and how to get monetized on YouTube, all of that. And another thing is, a lot of people been asking me how I have multiple channels and how I do this, but it's consistent and you gotta believe in yourself and you gotta be ready to work. It doesn't come easy. So this is what you gotta do, guys. Relax, be ready, and just tell yourself that it's not going to be easy for the first year. First 100 subscribers could be terrible, but don't break, continue, right? And I'm gonna show you how I make $500 in one day, right? So this is what I want you to do, right? Subscribe, like, share, comment, and here we go. Yes, guys, back again. It's Money Code. So if you want to make this $500, this is what I want you to do, right? Go to your phone right now. Go to your app store, right? And I want you to look up Money Code. Now I'm just playing with you. Got to. But what I want you to do is though, on YouTube, you gotta stay consistent, right? You gotta post a video, like at least 3 videos for the week, I would say, if you really want to make it. Because if you want to get those watch hours, this is what you got to do, man. Post a lot of videos. And what if you got videos that's 10 minutes? Well, that's okay. But if you have minutes that's less, you might want to post a lot more videos to add up in the watch time, so it increases by the watching more videos. Because if your videos is that short in time, it's going to be harder to add up in the watch hours. You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to teach you how to get that in short steps in no time. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I make $500 each day, and you can make even more if you pay attention. Trust me. Yeah. Yes, guys, here's another tip, and you all been waiting how to get this $500 a day, and I'm gonna let y'all know, right? Affiliated marketing, right? Amazon, baby. That's how I'm making this $500 every day, and you could do it too. Just stick to it, keep your eyes on the prize, grind, get to the prize. So, and that said, I done told you how I'm making 500 every day. Go and sign up right now for your affiliated links, and I'm gonna give you links to a lot of great products, and you could be making a lot of money too. So don't mind the haters, be greater than the haters, make money. Yeah, Money Code, baby. Subscribe, like, share, comment. We out.